This is Hurricane Florence, which is bearing down on the Carolina coast. A confirmed landfall for this hurricane at 7:15 a.m. 45 minutes ago in Wrightsville Beach, about 6 miles from where I am right now. We are still very much in the thick of it here in Wilmington, North Carolina. A confirmed wind gust of 92 miles an hour, which is the strongest wind gust recorded here, apparently, since 1960. And as bad as that is, and as bad as this looks right now where I'm standing in Wilmington, the real danger of this storm isn't the wind, it's the duration. This will be going on for some time, hours and hours, if not days. It's the rain falling at 3 inches per hour, which will fall like this again for days. 22 inches of rain already recorded in Atlantic Beach, about 70 miles from where I am. Another 20 could fall, and then the storm surge. The storm surge, because this storm is so immense, its breadth is pushing the water up into the rivers. The city of New Bern, again, about 80 miles from where I am, a crisis situation overnight, more than 100 rescues. We understand there are many more people still in need of rescue, and even though it's so dangerous that rescue crews really should not be out, and they are risking their lives to do so, they have been staging rescues where they can and when they can to help the people in need. Part of the story of this storm is its pace. It is moving so slowly down the coast as it knocks out power. Some 420,000 people without power in North Carolina, thousands more in South Carolina, and this is just the beginning. We're in for much, much more of this as this storm passes through. Let's get a sense of where things are going. It's here where I am in North Carolina right now. Not too long from now, later today, it will head down toward North Myrtle Beach. That's where CNN's Chris Cuomo is at this moment. Chris.
Yeah, you are our future, John. You've been doing a brilliant job of letting people know what the experience is there. We still don't know the toll. First responders have made rescues, but the bulk of their work has yet to begin. Having the sun come up is going to make a big difference for them in terms of assessment. Hurricane Matthew was a deadly storm a couple of years ago, did not have a lot of the factors and certainly the duration that this storm does. So God willing, we're going to get through this okay. Down here, about 45-mile-an-hour gusts. We're finally entering the Florence actual weather pattern, like the real deal is just starting now. We've had power outages. The word from the officials are about 6,000, but we just had several blocks go down during our last break, so I don't know what the numbers are. But we're going to have conditions like this and then getting into 80, 85-mile-an-hour winds, maybe 6 feet of storm surge. We'll have 2 high tides before then, and that's going to be a big determining factor. This is just the beginning of a high tide here. We don't know what's going to happen when the wind shifts and comes back the other way, John. This is a mandatory evacuation zone. Not everybody left. So we're just starting to get into it here, and we're watching you as a window into the future.
Yeah, Chris Cuomo down in North Myrtle Beach. It's very unsettling to me, Chris, that you can see me, but I can't see you. But I appreciate the concern, and this is coming your way not too long from now. Emergency management in North Carolina imploring people, by the way, don't drive through this. Do not drive through this just yet, because it is not over and it is not safe. Let's go to the Weather Center now. Chad Myers is there for a sense of where this storm is. Chad.
It is right over Wrightsville Beach. I mean, right over to the south of you here from Seagate down to Myrtle Grove. This is where the storm is at this point. You are here, Wilmington. You are now getting the northern eye wall. And eventually, as this storm is sagging slowly to the southwest, you're going to get the eastern eye wall. So no soup for you, John, and no eye wall for you. It is going to be farther to the south. In fact, our Derek Van Dam has a live shot down here in Carolina Beach. He will, in fact, get the calm in the storm, may even see the sunshine through the clouds down there. But notice the eye itself. And you have to kind of use your time-lapse sense here. The eye is getting smaller, which means the winds are getting bigger. They're getting tighter, kind of like the ice skater analogy. Again, I won't go through it, but you get the idea of the Olympic skater bringing her arms in. She goes faster. If you bring your arms in a hurricane, you will get faster winds, and that's exactly where we're going right now. So here, really what we have for the next few hours is this surge of water on up here toward the east and north of the eye. That's the biggest threat right now, is the water coming on shore. Here down where you are, it's the wraparound rain from Wilmington back over to Wrightsville Beach. That's where the eye made landfall about 47 minutes ago. And there it goes. This is now a forecast radar, what it should look like over the next 18 hours. And eventually, the eye will get all the way down to Chris Cuomo at North Myrtle Beach. But in that same 18 hours, the wind and the rain and the surge is going to continue north of here. I suspect many of these islands here, these barrier islands, are getting overwashed by these 15-foot waves and 7 to 8 or 9 foot surge. A lot of these islands are going to be wet, and the sand's going to be gone, and even some of the buildings may not survive.
All right, Chad Myers, thanks so much for that. If we can now, I want to go to the National Hurricane Center. Ken Graham, the director, joins us now. And Ken, I can give you a forecast or a sense of the weather for a change. It's raining here and the wind is blowing fiercely in Wilmington, North Carolina. What else can you tell us about the track of this storm?
I'll tell you, the track, just like forecast, really slow track. So, we just made landfall at 7:15. The National Ocean Service observation made landfall near Wrightsville Beach. But look at this prolonged amount of you've seen the eye wall in Wilmington for a long period of time. So that's just dangerous. It's not about just the winds, but how long these winds occur. And the longer we hang around, it's the longer we start seeing these rain bands push that water in. And it's just a very dangerous situation when it comes to the wind. But the water, 90% of the fatalities occurs because of the water. And that's something we're hitting as hard as we can here at the Hurricane Center.
You're talking about the duration. How much longer for people in this eye wall or under this eye wall, the Wilmington area?
I'll tell you, when we look at that forecast, it's such a slow progression. I do want to show it here because if you really look at it, there's not a lot of geography that's going to be covered now through this Saturday afternoon. So we're talking about now through all day today and looking at tonight and not getting inland around South Carolina till tomorrow afternoon. So we're talking another day and a half of some of this. So that's significant. I mean, the eye wall will slowly move inland. So just because you're not on the coast doesn't mean you're going to see some big time impacts as this thing slowly treks westward.
Some of the area of biggest concern overnight was up in New Bern. They had a storm surge there, 6 to 10 feet of flooding, they were telling us in some places, rescues overnight. Do they have more coming their way? Will they have another round of surge?
Yeah, let's talk about it because that's something that we've been looking at for a while. This is what's happening. You have your storm surge with sometimes miles inland where the water gets pushed in. You're talking the Pamlico River. You're talking about the Neuse River where normally that's used to drain all the rain out. But here's the problem that we have. The water comes in, the storm surge, it piles up around New Bern. The other problem we have is all that rainfall that we've been forecasting, potentially 20 to 30, even 40 inches in this area. It can't drain because the storm surge is blocking that. So you're going to have flooding miles and miles inland. So it's going to be a while before that wind shifts. The continual onshore flow is going to continue to push this water inland.
How far inland are we talking? Are we talking all the way as far as Charlotte? I was talking to former Governor Pat McCrory. He was saying he was expecting 12 inches of rain up there.
Yeah, that's the problem. And some of these coastal rivers are going to back up the problem with the rain. Let's really look at that rain in addition to the storm surge. And if you look at it, even Charlotte could get, 10 to 15 inches of rain possible. So if you think about this, well inland, especially with the terrain, Charlotte 10 to 15. You look at Roanoke, places like that, anywhere from high levels of water, 6 to 10 and 4 to 6 inches. And this could shift a little bit. So it's not just a coastal issue. With those type of rainfall forecasts, those rivers could be in flood for a week, long after we see the hurricane out of the area.
Our Chad Myers was talking about the barrier islands out on the coast a short time ago and fear that some of those might be overwashed. What's the concern there?
Yeah, absolutely. And we have had some of the reports of that happening. And actually, probably a good way to illustrate this is to go to that storm surge forecast. So what happens is the water comes in and it's a violent amount of water. It pushes hard. And this storm surge could actually destroy buildings and destroy structures. And it overwashes the barrier islands and really covers them. And you can get this overwash, you can get cuts, and it keeps on going. The longer you have those winds, you start stacking it up. So really what the water does is it comes inland, finds a place where the channel narrows or a river narrows, and what happens is it just piles up at that location. So your highest values might not be on those barrier islands. The highest values could be miles inland.
All right, Ken Graham, the National Hurricane Center, thank you so much for your work.